Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Plug the lightning-powered Kai transmitter into your iPhone. Once connected, make sure the transmitter's LED or status light shows it's powered. Remove thick cases from both phones so coils touch. Alignment is critical. Place the Android face-up on a flat surface and set the iPhone on a small stand so the transmitter puck can rest centered over the Android's charging coil. This gets power flowing from the iPhone to the transmitter, so you can proceed to align charging properly. Once done aligning, gently adjust placement until the Android shows the charging icon or percent increases. That confirms energy transfer. You may need to rotate the Android slightly to find the sweet spot where coils couple. Keep the iPhone screen unlocked only if the transmitter requires it, otherwise lock to save battery. If your transmitter has a power button, toggle it to test. Make sure heat stays mild. Slight warmth is normal, but strong heat means misalignment or inefficiency. Reposition or pause. To complete charging, monitor both batteries and remove the transmitter when Android reaches your target to preserve iPhone battery. If charging doesn't start, make sure the transmitter LED indicates power, reseat it, and verify the Android supports Kai. Once done, disconnect the lightning puck to prevent standby drain. Troubleshooting tip: if alignment and power look correct but still no charge, try a different certified transmitter, or test the puck on another Kai phone to isolate whether the transmitter or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.